Welcome back, everyone. Before we start with the second half, let us start with the felicitations first. We first felicitate our Guru, Sri Kalishwaran Pillai. I request Twisha and Vihana's parents to please be on stage and felicitate our Gurus. We would also like to felicitate our Guru, Srimati Janita Lopez Pillai. Now for a short introduction of our dancers. Vihana Bhangre, currently in the 8th grade of Universal High School Thane, commenced her journey into the world of dance at the tender age of 5, where she found her liking for Bharatnatyam and the rich cultural heritage of this dance form. Beyond her passion for dance, Vihana harbors ambitious dreams of becoming an astrogeologist, unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Outside her artistic pursuits, Vihana is a voracious reader, a music enthusiast, and an avid traveler. Whether lost in the pages of a book, mesmerized by melodies, or exploring new destinations, she seeks to broaden her knowledge and expand her horizons. Now, for an introduction of our Twisha Pandurangi. Okay. We would first like to felicitate Vihana Bhangre. We would like to call her parents on stage. Twisha Pandurangi, presently in the 8th grade at New Horizons Scholar School, Thane, started her journey of classical dance at age 5. Twisha is very keen in taking Bharatnatyam to the next level. And apart from Bharatnatyam, Twisha is also interested in singing, painting, and other sports activities. And she's also a very friendly and cheerful girl. We would like to call Twisha's parents to please felicitate her. Now I call upon Jainta ma'am to please felicitate our Vadi Vrinda.
We'll now felicitate that beautiful orchestra. Can we have a nice round of applause for them? I request Vihana's and Twisha's parents to felicitate them. On vocals, Miss Kirtana Krishnamurthy. On Mridangam, Shri Dakshinamurthy Pillai. On violin, Shri Balasubramaniam. On Veena, Sai Priya. Vihana and Trisha are looking so beautiful today. You agree or no? Yes. And so we would like to felicitate Srimati Ruta Gokhale for hairstyle and makeup. The beautiful and gorgeous Ruta Gokhale. Costumes and green room assistant Darshana Pawar and Rose DeMello. They are also student of Natanakala Academy, Vasai branch. Can we have Darshana and Rose? Backstage assistant Alina Shivaranjani. Alina and Shivaranjani. They are also our senior students from the Thane branch. I would request Rose, Darshana, Alina, Shivaranjani, also Vihana and Twisha to come for a quick photo with the girls. We would also like to felicitate on photography. We have Sandeep Mankawle. On videography, Shri Sudesh. Sir is shown a thumbs up from there. Okay. Stage decor, Nitin Gavli. Okay. On lights, we have Shri Bala. On sound, Shri Jayesh. I think these are the people who are the backbone of the performance. we'll begin the performance in a minute or two. Okay. We would like to call any NK students here in the audience to come for a picture quickly. All the students of Natanakala Academy. Fast. Fast and furious. Run. Trisha and Vihana, please come on stage. Darshana and Rose also please join. Thank you everyone. Can we have the curtains? We'll resume just in few minutes. Just for the orchestra to assemble. Curtains. Welcome back to the second half of the Arangetram. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam. Twisha and Vihana will begin their second half performance with this beautiful bhajan by Saint Tulsi Dasa, dedicated to Lord Rama. Presenting before you Shri Ramachandra Kripalu.
श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणं श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणं नव कंचलोचन कंचमुखकर कंचपद कंजारुणं नवकंचलोचन कंजमुखकर कंजपद कंजारुणं श्रीराम 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 कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरज सुंदरं पटपीत मानहु तडित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुधावरं कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरज सुंदरं पटपीत मानहु तडित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुधावरं भज दीन बन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कोसल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनं भज दीन बन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंश निकन्दनं रघुनन्द आनन्द कन्द कोसल चन्द दशरथ नन्दनं श्रीराम श्रीराम सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अङ्गविभूषणम् आजानुभुज करशापधर सङ्ग्रामजित करदूषणम् सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अङ्गविभूषणम् आजानुभुज करशापधर सङ्ग्रामजित करदूषणं श्रीराम श्रीराम इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनिमनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिकलगलगञ्जनम् इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनिमनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिकलगलगञ्जनम् श्रीराम 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 श्रीराम
Twisha will now present a solo presentation on Ameera Bhajan, Matavaro Badal Ayore, set in Mishra, Ragam, Mand. मतवारो बादल आयो रे मतवारो बादल आयो रे मतवारो बादल आयो रे मतवारो बादल आयो रे हरि का संदेश कछु नहीं लायो रे हरि का संदेश कछु नहीं लायो मतवारो बादल आयो रे मतवारो दादुर मोर पपीहा बोले रे दादुर मोर पपीहा बोले रे दादुर मोर
शब्द सुनायो रे मतवारो बादल आयो रे मतवारो काली अंधियारे बिजली चमके काली अंधियारे बिजली चमके बिरहन अति तड़पायो रे बिरहन अति तड़पायो रे मतवारो बादल आयो रे हरि का संदेश कछु नहीं लायो रे हरि का संदेश कछु नहीं लायो रे मतवारो बादल आयो रे आयो रे बादल आयो।
Bhakti and Shringara are the predominant rasas explored in Bharatanatyam. Vatsalya, or showing motherly love, is also equally popular. Vihana will now present the famous song Krishnani Begane Baro, which shows the cute relation between Yashoda and Krishna. Presenting before you Krishnani Begane Baro.
कृष्णानी बेगने बारो कृष्णानी बेगने बारो कृष्णानी बेगने बारो कृष्णानी कृष्णानी बेगने बारो 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 बेगने बारो मुखवन्न तोरो बेगने बारो मुखवन्न तोरो कृष्णानी बेगने बारो काललंदुगे गेज नीलन बावुली काललंदुगे गेज नीलन बावुली नील वर्णने नाट्य माडूत बारो नील वर्णने नाट्यम आडूत बारो कृष्णानी बेगने बारो ಬೆರಳಲಿ ಉಂಗುರ ಉಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡಿಗೆಜೆ ಬೆರಳಲಿ ಉಂಗುರ ಕೊರಳಲು ಹಾಗಿದ ವೈಜಂತಿ ಮಾಲ ಕೊರಳಲು ಹಾಗಿದ ವೈಜಂತಿ ಮಾಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಕಾಸಿ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳಲು ಕಾಸಿ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳಲು ಪೂಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಮೈಯೊಳಗಮ ಪೂಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಮೈಯೋಳ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿ ಬೇಗನೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನು ತೋರಿದ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವನ್ನು ತೋರಿದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬಾರೋ 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 ಬಾರೋ
Before I introduce the concluding piece, I'm sure everybody's hearts are filled today watching them dance. Yes or no? Yes, and are you all enjoying? So Twisha and Vihana would also like your stomachs to be full before you go from here. So they have invited you all to join them for lunch after this. Vihana and Twisha will conclude their Arangetram with a Tillana. Tillana is a joyous fantasy of pure dance, which is brisk and attractive. This particular Tillana, presented today, is a composition by Maharaja Swati Tirunal. Tillana will be followed by Mangalam. As per the traditions, Mangalam provides an auspicious ending for a classical performance. So presenting before you the concluding piece for today's performance, Tillana in Ragam Dhanashri, Talam Adi.
ಧೀಂ ತನನ ದಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲನ ತಿಲ್ಲನ ನಾದ್ರದೀಂ 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 ತನನ ದಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲನ ತಿಲ್ಲನ ನಾದ್ರದೀಂ 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 ತನನ ದಿತ್ತಿಲ್ಲನ ತಿಲ್ಲನ ನಾದ್ರದೀಂ 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 ತನನ nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim dim dim nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 dim dim nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim dim tana tanadirana takita jam tajam 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 tadita jam tadita jam tarita nadridim tana tanadirana takita jam tajam 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 tadita jam tadita jam tarita nadridim tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 tanana dillana dillana nadridim 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 ಸೊಗಸುಲೂರ ಹೊಯಲು ಮೀರಿನಿ ದರಿಜೇರಿತಿನಿ ನೀರ ಕ್ಷೀರ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೈ ಮೈ ಮರಚಿ ಸಕಲ ಚರಾಚರ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪುಲಿಕಿಂಚಿ ಪ್ರಿಯನಿ ಹಾಯನಿ ಪಿಂಚು ಚಿರುರವಲಿನಿ ಮುರಳಿ ಮಾಧುರಿ ಸೊಗಸುಲೂರ ಹೊಯಲು ಕೋರಿನಿ దరిచేరితిని నీర క్షీర న్యాయమై మై మరచి సకల చరాచర మెల్ల పులికించి ప్రియని ఆయని పించు చిరురవలిని మురళి మాధురి తీంతనా తనదిరన తగిట జం తజం 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 తదిత జం తదిత జం తరిత నారదీం తనా తనదిరన తగిట జం తజం 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 తదిత జం తదిత జం తరిత నారదీం తనన దిత్తలన దిల్లన నారదీం 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 తనన దిత్తలన దిల్లన నారదీం 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 దిత్తలన దిల్లన నారదీం 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 పవమాన మంగళం రాజీవ నయన త్యాగరాజాది వినూతమైన నీ నామ నీ నామ నీ నామ రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం మంగళం
Can we have Twisha and Vihana on stage? Can we hear it for them? I would also request their parents to please join them. I think a bigger round of applause for the parents. And the mic is all yours if any of the parents or the kids, if you all want to say something. Speech.
Thank you everybody for joining us today for me and my friend Vihana's Arangetram. I would really thank you, my guru, Sri Kaleshwaran Pillai, and my ma'am, Janita Lopes Pillai, and my specially thanks to my parents who has encouraged me in doing this Arangetram.
Thank you everyone for watching us dance. Some of you may have gotten bored, but thank you very much. I'm out of breath. I can't speak anything right now, but thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for joining us. It's been great from everyone. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you all musicians down here, and the stage preparations, lighting, music, photograph, videograph, all of you guys down there. Thank you very much for joining us. It's been a great day for us. Thank you.
We should have one applause for that lovely audience for that whistle. Who was that? Once more. Once more. Thank you so much. So we'll all see you in the lobby itself. We have the lunch. See you all there. Thank you so much. And you're all free to meet the artists now.